Welcome to 19 Taylor Street. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is located in West Royalty, and it is going to be priced to sell. Come on in and check it out. One of my favorite things about this house is the layout. So the 4th bedroom and the 3rd bath are down in the basement. And whether it's guests or an older child, they totally have their own space. And that's not even to mention this huge flex space, which for you could be home theater, home gym, or in this case, a cozy basement living room. You won't be disappointed with this backyard. Whether it's hanging out with the family under the pergola or a barbecue on the back deck, this is a great spot to call home.